to about this bowling season?
Just getting to meet the new kids that are coming in. It's always fun to see the new kids come in, the smile on their face, the excitement of trying to, perform and keep up the level of performance we've had over the last couple of years. So this will be our third year. So the last 2 years, just a little background, we won the sectional title both years for boys. Girls won the sectional title the first year and made it to state both years and advanced to the final day both years. So awesome for a new program. So bowling around this area has never been popular in the junior high, and no other sport do you come in, just practice, go to sectionals, season's over. So I introduced some matches. So a team in Bloomington came over. We had some matches with them, get them used to the competition before we actually went to sectionals. And I wanted to improve on that. So this year, the Bloomington team's coming back. Washington Central, I believe, started their team this year. They're going to come over for matches. There's a new Bloomington team that is going to come over and have matches, and we'll go to their house too. So they'll come here, we'll bowl, then we'll go to their house and we'll bowl. And then the other thing we started is talking with Scott Hammond at the junior high. So we will have a tournament here for the junior high. So it'll be 8 boys teams and 8 girls teams, a full house. It actually filled up within like 3 days. We put it out there, boom, we got blasted. Everybody wanted to be here. We had to turn people away. So we're hoping next year we're going to run a 2-day event or do the boys one weekend, the girls another weekend, where, we can do all 16 teams of boys, 16 teams of girls if we get them. So it's just something we're trying to keep growing it and getting other schools around the area to start programs and see the benefit of, adding bowling as a sport. So a lot of things going on this year. So pretty excited for the season. So I started bowling when I was 4 years old. My mom worked at a bowling alley, so when she was there, I was there. When I was 13, went out and got a certificate for coaching. So I would help the junior leagues, the younger kids, on Saturday when I bowled later in the afternoon. I'm in the Peoria Bowling Hall of Fame, so had a pretty good career bowling.
What are you looking forward to about this season?
I'm looking forward to spending time with my friends, getting to know them better, bowling good, win state.
All the matches, bowling with friends, going, just having fun.
Getting a 200 average.
All right, and then what does it mean to you to be a part of this team?
It means that I'm a part of this amazing friend group and that we can all have fun.
It means a lot, just being able to be in this situation. Not a lot of towns can't do this.
Yeah.
I'm just lucky.
Getting to spend time with friends and getting to bowl for fun.
I'm looking forward to getting better at bowling. I enjoy bowling, but I know I'm not the best at it, and I'm just looking for Coach Pete to help me get better. I enjoy that it's fun and it's competitive, but not too competitive, and anyone can do it. But also everyone tells me that's something you can do for the rest of your life, whereas a lot of sports, it's like once you get older, you stop being able to do it.
And then what do you hope kids take away from being on this team?
Just sportsmanship, teammates I hope they get the sense of being part of a group.